What if the next camera you buy already knows exactly how to edit your footage better than you do? That's no longer a far-fetched sci-fi concept. That is the exact direction Insta360 is heading with the highly anticipated Insta360 X6. The hardware filings and regulatory leaks surrounding this device are getting impossible to ignore. We are looking at massive sensor upgrades, native 8K at 60 frames per second, and a deep learning AI engine that shifts this from a standard action tool into a collaborative workflow editor. Let's break down every credible leak shaking up the creator community right now. This story didn't start with a flashy marketing countdown. It started the way all real hardware leaks do, quietly, through product registration and certification filings hidden deep within regulatory databases. Those paper trails prove an X6 branded device is already in its final validation stages. Combine that with Insta360's recent habit of pulling launches up into the spring, and a launch right now in May or June looks incredibly locked in to catch the massive summer creator rush. But it's what's inside those filings that matters. Insta360 X6 leaked core. Sensor array, dual 1/1.2-inch large CMOS. Max resolution, 8K at 60 frames per second, smooth action. Low light, AI pure video dual engine. Form factor, thermal vented slim chassis. The headline hardware rumor points to dual 1/1.2-inch sensors. If true, this completely cures the historical Achilles heel of compact pocket 360 cameras, garbage low light performance. By scaling up the physical silicon surface, you're gathering significantly more light per pixel. Pair that with a bump to 8K 60 frames per second, and fast-moving action sports or travel vlogs aren't just going to look sharper. The motion blur artifacts will be cut in half, leaving you with flawlessly smooth, reframed crops. But everyone is talking about resolution numbers, and they are completely missing the real story here. The true paradigm shift with the X6 is the integrated AI co-pilot architecture. Insta360 has always done a great job with basic auto-reframing and hiding the selfie stick. But the upcoming X6 architecture is rumored to handle real-time scene understanding. The camera doesn't just passively record data anymore. It identifies key narrative subjects, stabilizes changing horizons on a hardware level, and compiles edit-ready, pre-cut clips directly within the app before you even open your laptop. It fundamentally changes your workflow. You stop spending hours digging through a 360-degree sphere looking for where the action happened because the camera already flagged the highlight timestamps for you. All that processing horsepower is going to require a premium. Leaks estimate the baseline unit will enter the market between $549 and $599, with heavy accessory bundles stretching closer to $799. It's a slight price increase over the previous generation, but considering the massive sensor upgrade, it's a completely justified bump. The X6 hasn't hit the shelves officially yet, but it's tracking to be one of the most disruptive creator tools of the year. So I have to ask you, do you actually want an AI automation system editing and framing your stories, or do you still prefer keeping absolute manual control over your creative compositions? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Drop a sub so you don't miss our upcoming live action field tests, and I'll catch you guys in the next breakdown.